Raw food burrito. 2 very ripe avocados. 3 tomatoes, diced. Half jalapeno pepper, diced. 2 tablespoons diced yellow onion. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 3/4 cup corn kernels, from 1 ear raw corn. 2 teaspoons freshly squeezed lime juice. 6 to 8 large lettuce leaves. Steps to make it. Gather the ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, mash the avocado. Add tomatoes, jalapeno, onion, garlic, cilantro, corn, and lime and stir until well mixed. Spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of this mixture onto lettuce leaves and wrap. Use the freshest ingredients you can find when making these wraps to get the ultimate flavor. Easy vegan meals, right? Dairy's more coming up, but on the link I've provided.